Namaskar children, welcome to geography class. So children, we are doing topic of measurement of development. So in which we had discussed about the measurement of human development, health, education and access to resources. Now today we are going to discuss about the international comparisons of different countries with their high index values. Okay, so children, this is very important for you to understand the term. That means what are the things which are present in the developing countries, or which are the things which are present in developed countries, on the basis of what we can calculate the high index ratio of these countries. So generally human development index is measured on some in between 1 to 0 to 1. Okay, in between 0 to 1 rate, and the countries those are being in between that. For example, you can think about that 0.5 is the HDI ratio of any country. It shows that means it is below ratio. So you can see here I have written countries with the high index value, they are having a 0.8 HDI index, or maybe it is equals to that. So that means the countries those are very highly developed, you can call it, and those who are controlled the another countries. You have having so many example like Britain, America, those who are colonized the other countries. So now you can see there the countries are more developed, they are high, they are having a high index ratio. So children, this is the things which you can see in the developed countries. Now second one is countries with the medium index value. Why medium index value? Means whether the in between 0.5 to 0.799. In developing countries you can see them, or you can say the countries those were being controlled by the high values countries. जो countries पर control किया गया ऊपरी वाली countries के द्वारा, वहाँ पर medium value index देखने को मिलता है. Next, that is very important, which are including that high countries with low index value. That means जहाँ का index ratio HDI index less than 0.5, or you can say below 0.5 होता है, we can call them low level of HDI index in these countries. You can call these countries like USSR की जो countries थी and that. And medium जो countries हैं उनमें European countries आती हैं आपकी, और so many countries those who are developed and they come out from the situation which been controlled by the another countries. So low index value जो है, large proportion of these are small countries which have been going through political turmoil and social instability. Okay, civil war, famines, high incident of diseases, these will come in the low index value. So children, in the end of this chapter, or the more important part you can understand, that is the shortfalls or attainment. What is the meaning of shortfall? We can call it weaknesses. Okay, HDI index का जो ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स है, इसका वीकनेस क्या है, और यू कैन से शॉर्टफॉल. सो देखो, HDI इंडेक्स एंड HPI इंडेक्स. HPI shows the high poverty index and high development index. You know that it is between 0 to 1. ओके, एंड हाई पॉवर्टी इंडेक्स जो है वो पॉवर्टी इंडेक्स शो करता है किसी भी कंट्री का. UNDP मेजर्ड बोथ ऑफ दैम. ओके, बट HDI इंडेक्स जो है, इट विल नॉट एक्सप्लेन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द रिसोर्सेज. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट HDI की जो सबसे बड़ा ड्रॉबैक है वो ये है कि यू कैन नॉट मेजर हाउ मच थिंग इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इन अमंग द पीपल. कंट्री की जो पॉपुलेशन है, जो रिसोर्सेज है, वो किस तरीके से उनमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए गए. So this is a big drawback and big shortfall of this measurement. Okay, and HDI is more accurate as comparison to HPI. So children, this is very important to understand that the measure of human development together gives an accurate picture of human development situation in a country. चाहे आप HPI देख लीजिए, चाहे आप HDI देख लीजिए. So the human development report was shows that what countries are, how many countries are more developed than the another one countries, and top 10 most important high value index countries you can see in your books: Norway, Iceland, Sweden. Okay, so children, this chapter has been completed on this topic. So children, I hope that you understand this chapter very well, and when I send you the worksheet, you can do it and complete it and send it to me as soon as possible. So children, this is the chapter of human development we had done from book number A. ठीक है, वर्ल्ड जो आपकी बुक है, उसके अलावा जो दूसरा हमने ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट चैप्टर किया था वो आपका था इंडियन पीपल एंड इकोनॉमी में. तो दिस चैप्टर, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट विच वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द लेवल ऑफ द कंपैरेटिव स्टडी अबाउट द कंट्रीज, कैसे आप HDI इंडेक्स को मेजर करेंगे. So thank you so much, children. God bless you all. Stay safe at your home, and we'll see you as soon as possible. Thank you so much.